Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to import the Chicago demo. On this domain I just installed the theme and the included plugins, but before importing the demo, the theme needs to be activated. Here you need to add your license key. I added my license key. Press check license. My theme is now activated. We have the option to add icons for features and amenities. For those icons to be imported along with the demo, the SVG support plugin needs to be installed and set up. I have it here already installed. You need to restrict it to admin. I will proceed with demo import. Press import demo button, continue and import. The import process should take a few minutes. The demo import is complete. I will click visit site. The demo content was imported. For the demo to look exactly as the official one, you will need to make some manual adjustments. I will start by showing how to adjust elements on home page. The first one is the display categories shortcode. The first step in setting this section properly is to edit the home page and make sure that each element has a property category assigned. I will edit the home page from Pages. Since the page was created with Elementor plugin, you will need to edit it with Elementor. I will scroll to this section. I will click on each element and select property categories. Now that I have assigned property categories to each element, I will update the page. And the next step is to add an image for each category used in the shortcode. The property categories can be found in Admin, Properties. I will edit the property category. Press Upload Image button. Select an image from my device. Press Insert into Post button. Update the property category. The same steps need to be done for each category that I assigned in the shortcode. I will show the steps again. Upload image. Select an image from my device. Insert into Post. Press Update button. The section is now showing correctly. The same steps will need to apply for this section as well. I will show it only in preview to see the exact steps. Select property categories and after upload the images to the categories that you selected. Here we have a map. For this map to load correctly, you will need to decide on the map system that you wish to use. You need to go to Theme Options, Map Settings. If Google Maps will be selected, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added, or you can select OpenStreet. Back to the home page. The last element in the page is a newsletter element. In our official demo, we used a third-party plugin called MailChimp. You can remove the section or set up MailChimp plugin and display a newsletter form here. To remove the form, you need to go in backend, edit the home page, and remove this section from here. But if you wish to build the same section, the first step is to install the MailChimp plugin. You need to go to Plugins, Add New, type MailChimp for WordPress. This is the plugin. Install it. Activate it. You will find the plugin here. The next step is to create an API. You will need to sign up to MailChimp, create the API, and after add that API in the theme. The API can be easily created. I have already added mine here. And you can easily create your own API by clicking this link after you sign up with MailChimp. Now I can start creating the newsletter form. I will go to Forms, enter a name, add new form. Now you can create the newsletters form with the details that you want. Here you will see the preview. I will leave it as it is and just show how to implement it in homepage. I will copy the shortcode. Here I will replace the demo one. Update the change. And in front end I will have the form that I created. The homepage details are now exactly as the demo ones. The next step is to set the permalinks correctly. This can be done from Admin, Settings, Permalinks. By default they are set to plain, but you need to set them to post name. Now the demo is complete and you can start adding your own content. I think that the first elements that you will wish to change are the homepage images. I will show really quick how to do that. On Chicago demo, in header you have an image. To change that image you will need to edit the page. Click Edit. Go to Appearance Options. And here you will be able to add your own image, as well as change title over image, subtitle, and other elements. Next, we have an image set as background for this section. You need to edit the homepage with Elementor. To find that section faster, use Navigator. You can click on each section. This is the one. Go to Style, and here you will be able to replace the demo image. These are the steps that you need to take after the Chicago demo is imported. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notification on new videos.